Hello, this is Julia and Gregory at Team Tsougranis Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to our newest exclusive at 11923 7th Avenue in the College Point section of Queens.
We've got that perfect white picket fence for you. This is a two-family house consisting of a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath over a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath over a legal accessory dwelling unit. You've got side yard, backyard, garage parking, driveway parking, and plenty more. So come on inside and get ready to fall in love. Welcome to the first floor unit. It has an amazing layout and it's identical to the top floor unit as well. It's the perfect layout and having 2 of them makes it extra special. So come on inside and check it out.
This well-designed L-shaped kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of space to make your favorite dishes. The size of this dining room allows for great entertaining.
As you leave from the living room, kitchen, dining room area, you've got 1 full bathroom and 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, and the 3rd, which is your primary bedroom, which includes its own full bath as well. The 2nd floor has some pleasant upgrades, which includes a private balcony, a vaulted ceiling with recessed lighting, and a skylight above the kitchen area.
The flow of space in both units allows for a very enjoyable living.
Much like the first floor unit, the 2nd floor has a hallway leading to a full bath and 3 bedrooms, with the primary bedroom again having its own full bath. An additional bonus is the deeded accessory dwelling space. You've got a great extra space to enjoy, living room area, full bathroom, summer kitchen, and 2 additional rooms. We're saying goodbye from the balcony with a beautiful view of College Point.
Call Team Tsougranis today and reserve your private tour.
This baby will not last.